Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. I enjoy building classic model kits of TV and movie cars and other kits. So if you enjoy that type of content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my playlist. In this episode, we're going to be doing a kit review of a vintage kit, Farrah's Foxy Vette. I've had this kit for quite a while, and it's a complete kit. Not the box is not in perfect shape, but I'm still good with that. I have quite a collection, maybe relatively small compared to some of the collections that I've seen on YouTube. But there's kits that I definitely will build, and then some that I won't. And I think this is one that I am not going to build. And I'll go into that further in the video. But here we have a look at all the artwork on the box. Farrah, she's gorgeous. God rest her soul. And this is just one of George Barris's creations. That I think how he worked it out was that he would build a car as long as he could build an identical one and use it promotionally for his business. So she was presented with this car. Pretty neat features on it. Some were, I guess, cutting edge for the time. Probably the weirdest feature was it had fur all over the inside of the car. It looked like a big shaggy rug. But this kit is well preserved, and complete. So let's take a look here. We have the directions. And there's no date printed on the directions, but they show their age with some foxing and, as we go through and look at the parts layout. Try to handle them gently here. Engine and chassis, exploded views, pretty basic. Interior and the body with the extra body panels and flares. What appears to be Monza type or Camaro type taillights. I think they're more indicative of a Chevrolet Monza than the Camaro. But another cool thing about this Corvette was it was a 4-speed car. And here we have a look at the decals. They're really hard to see because they're in white, and the paper has foxed and aged over time, and it's yellowed. But I'm trying to point it out there. Try to catch the light, see if I get it to reflect. But they are there. But that's just one of the things that would keep me from building this kit. I'd have to come up with a good way of reproducing white decals. So here's the chrome all separately bagged and in good shape. Look at the clear parts and the headlight covers and the taillights in red. And here's the entire kit still in its factory sealed bag. Looks like some of the parts have come off the trees, which is okay. At least I know it's complete. And I've got the tires separated also. So that's it. Let me go ahead and get this packed up, but don't turn off the video yet because there's still more to come on this. Try to get everything back in the box. I guess I can do some of this off camera, just try to get it closed up for right now. lid back on. Okay, so now I'll tell you what my plan is. I picked up a rebuilder of the Foxy Vette, and there was a nice letter from the seller when he sent it to me. Let's get that over here. This is in really good shape. Just needs a little bit of love to get it all together. So I'll be able to keep my complete model kit, and then I'll have a great finished kit, once I get everything back together. The rear hatch and louvers needs to be worked on. No decals, but I'll come up with something for that. Let's see what we have here. A couple loose parts. Everything looks to be in really good shape. It's missing its inner fenders. Yeah, those should glue right back in place. I have them. The detailing looks good. And it's a complete kit. The paint looks good. So this will make a good rebuilder and go along as a companion piece for the Foxy Vette. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to do more of these type vintage reveals. But have a safe and blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.